Hard work, dedication. Hey man, y'all stay tuned. We just getting started. This is the beginning, baby. I don't know what's finna happen, but
What's happening?
y'all pray for me because y'all know when she get the prime and all of that stuff, she'll tell me to prime up something, and then she'll say, "Oh, I don't want that. Take it out."
Hey friends, welcome back. After a long break from full-time RV life, we're getting ready to hit the road camping again. And that means renovation time. Our fifth wheel has been sitting for quite some time. So the first step is tearing out all of the old carpet and furniture to make space for a fresh new look. So out with the outdated and worn and in with the cozy and road trip ready. We've got tools in hand, a plan in mind, and a whole lot of dust flying. It's messy work now, but we can already see camping adventures on the horizon. So stick around as we transform this space into the perfect home on wheels again. The journey back to RV life starts right here. Stay tuned.
Hey fellas, y'all take care of home and home gonna take care of y'all. You feel me? Hey, ain't nothing better than some cold to drink while y'all out here walking. Ain't no sugar.
It's nasty.
Ain't nasty. I was expecting that karate.
You don't need no sugar. Sugar kills.
Well, come give me some sugar then.
I give you some when you finish this.
For real?
Yeah.
I'm done.
Can she do it?
Look at the face.
No.
You can do it. Yeah. That's just hard. Whoa. Catch you.
Hard work, dedication. Hey man, y'all stay tuned. We just getting started. This is the beginning, baby. I don't know what's finna happen, but
What's happening?
y'all pray for me because y'all know when she get the prime and all of that stuff, she'll tell me to prime up something, and then she'll say, "Oh, I don't want that. Take it out."
Whew. So as you can see, we got quite a bit done. We were able to remove all of the furniture that was originally in the RV as well as all of the carpet. Now, I don't know what we're going to put down, but I mean, we're here now. So yeah, here's a look.
I was tired that time.
During this little remodel we have going on. And that's everything that we have taken out. Both couches back here, they were trash. As you can see, I've already tried to reupholster them. Did that. It just turned out okay, but yeah, just that's an example of one of them that I already did. Boy, what did you?
Having a whole entire conversation with himself.
Oh, he thought I was over there. But yeah, that's our dump trailer that we just will dump once it's full. So our outdoor RV kitchen has cooked hundreds of campsite meals, and now it's ready for a glow up.
We're tearing out the old worn sink, cabinets, and grill to make way for a brand new cooking space that'll take campsite meals to the very next level.
Got a hole.
It's like a little tube.
And y'all see daylight up there.
Daylight.
Thank you so much for joining us in RV Reno with Bakers Outside. Stay tuned for the second episode as we attempt to build our own RV floor. We've called around to several shops and everybody has quoted us well over $2,000 for our quote unquote super slide. So we're going to try to build our own floor and do it ourselves. Can we do it? Who knows? Stay tuned to find out in episode 2. See ya.